y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a soft lock tutorial for you guys, something you guys have been waiting for. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll know when I upload. Okay, so now let's get into it. So right now I'm doing half circle parts. I like to do half circle parts because it allows the soft locks to lay better and also appear more fuller rather than doing the box parts. So there's a quick tip. So we're just going to section and braid up as many sections as we can. This allows the soft lock process to go much faster. I believe I finished this style within 3 hours. So yeah, make sure you braid. Make sure you section and braid first before installing the locks. So that's what I'm doing here. Also, pay attention to how I'm parting. It's more like a freehand part. But as you can see, I'm actually parting in between the sections I've already made. I don't even know if that makes sense, but you guys see what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can know what I'm talking about. But yeah, just do that all over. Okay, so you see how my parts are forming? Okay, I'm big on parts. Please take time on your parts. Make sure your parting space is right, everything is right. I swear, parts brings the look together, okay? So please take your time on parting your sections. Feel free to leave suggestions in the comments on what you would like to see next. Any tips you have for me. Yeah, just feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. I will read them and I would definitely respond to your comment. So after you're done braiding up your sections, we're going to install the locks, okay? So the locks come already made, of course. You just get your crochet needle, crochet it in as you would do any other crochet braid, etc. So we're just going to pull the lock through the braid, open up the loop, and then pull the other end through. Boom, there you go. So I'm just going to continue to do that, and then I'll come back when we start to wrap the hair. Also, a lot of people may have questions about using rubber bands when doing shorter hair clients. Okay, so a client with shorter hair around the perimeter and anything like that, I'll try to stay away from using rubber bands because rubber bands create friction between the hair and the rubber band. So I would try to stay away from that, and if I do, I will drench the rubber bands in oil, okay? But as you've seen in the beginning, as I was parting, I made sure, use your gel, Shine and Jam, best braiding gel ever, to gather the hair up and do your best to grip as much as you can. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to wrap. You just do the same thing, crochet the hair in, and this hair is the free twist water wave hair. I'm going to leave the hair in the description box. Yeah, I'm going to leave the hair I use in the description box below. So all you do is crochet the hair in and then you wrap, but make sure you wrap nice and tightly so the lock won't unravel. And the wrapping process is used to make sure that your braid is secure within the lock at all times, okay? Wrapping is important. Please do not do soft locks without wrapping, because within 2 or 3 days your braids will be popping out the lock, or your client braids will be popping out the lock, and sweetheart, that's a whole other issue you do not want, okay? So make sure you wrap, and you wrap tightly. Also, please make sure you take your time with this style. please make sure you take your time, okay? We love quality over quantity, okay? We don't care how long it's going to take. We love quality.
Crazy.
Your heart it glitters and you make me quiver, shiver, got me like ooh. Buck roll. Your heart it glitters and you make me quiver, shiver, got me like ooh. Purchase your track today.
Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. That is really how you do soft locks. That's how you achieve soft locks. So right now, I'm just going to continue to do the rest of her hair, and then in the end you will see the results. I hope you guys love this video, and also comment down below if this helped you out, and make sure you hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe, because I will be having more tips and tricks coming soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.